Today we're heading up to Daintree National Park and our first stop will be at Mossman Gorge. So let's go!
Yalanji means this place. So when we do speak of this place, we say Google Yalanji. All you pretty much got to do is get the snorkeling. And we do this to drop all your negativity. It all stops here. Yeah. Just blows away in the wind. And just letting the ancestors know that you are visiting our rainforest. You're rainwater, what you wiggle, you're the wild, you know that, yellow now you go to Yalanji, but my nungo, why don't you go? Different type of people come to the area, we just welcome them. Welcome.
Look, he's making me do this trek with my church clothes and flip-flops. Let's see how we go.
So we've just finished up at Mossman Gorge. It was pretty awesome. We were super lucky. We arrived like literally 1 minute before a welcome to the country ceremony was held. So that was super interesting. I've never been to one before. Obviously Harvey hadn't either, so we learned a lot there. It just kind of set us up for the trek in the jungle, which was cool. We're now in Daintree village. We've come to stay here for one night before we head up into the rainforest tomorrow. We need to wait for the ferry in the morning. It's such a cool little town. We're staying at this caravan park here, which is super quirky. There's a lot of really small details that are quite cool. The actual village itself is tiny. Look at it. This is it. You got a shop, a post office, a bottle shop inside, tourist information, and some tour places. That's it on that side. A gallery on this side, and our place. Look at this super cool caravan park. Got like a museum inside, but unfortunately it's closed at the moment, as everything is.
Around their waist and around the trunk of the tree.
We made it to Cape Tribulation! Woo! So we've made it as far north as we intended on making it. Finally we made it somewhere that we're aiming for, and it's bloody paradise on earth. So we're going to be here for the next few nights, probably just chilling on the beach. It's just bloody amazing.
I am so brave. There's little fishes!
Little ones okay.
Yeah, but they're gross regardless.
You gonna talk?
No.
En español.
Hola, me metí al agua. Hola, mamá. Miren lo que voy a hacer. There's a doguito. That's probably the worst fish in the world.
That's the best.
I'm a dog! I'm a dog! I'm a dog!
Stand up.
Oh, I can touch you! I didn't know I could touch.
Nice and fun.
The cup water. Hello. Today we have been trying to check all the list of the things that we could do here in Cape Tribulation. It has been slightly disappointing sometimes.
Yeah.
Not ugly, it's a beautiful place, but we thought it would be much more interesting things. There would be much more interesting things to do. But at the end of the day, Luke was buying something in the supermarket and the lady there suggested this creek. So we drove all the way here to Nagamuntin, sorry I'm butchering the name. And it's a beautiful, beautiful river or
Swimming hole.
And we were lucky enough to have a dog as a company all the way, all the time that we were there. So that was great.
Goodbye, my love.
Bye.
See you in a few hours.
See you in a few hours.
Good morning, all. So, Harvey's just dropped me off, and I'm off to do the Mount Sorrow Ridge Trek. I think it's going to be like 5 to 6 hours. It's quite an incline, like 800 meters, so it's going to be quite challenging. We also don't have any service, so basically I'm going to go up, come back down, and then hopefully by some chance I'll get some service to tell Harvey to come pick me up. If not, I'll have to walk all the way back to town. I'm like 1/3 the way up the hike. I'm already half naked because I'm bloody sweating to death. Holy shit, it's humid up here. But the worst thing about it is, spread across the track in these nearly invisible webs, these spiders like this big. Geez, they're ugly, but got to keep my eye out for them. I don't want to walk through and end up with one of those on my face. I think I've still got like 300 meters of an incline over like 800 meters of the track. Holy shit, I'm moist.
No man's an island when he's had this conversation. No man's a forest, even if he tries to be one. I've seen your insides, they're colourful.
Plenty of these little blood-sucking bastards
Sure
up here.
not an island, even if you try to be one with me. If I had a problem, then so did you. 'Cause no two's an ocean of solitude. Oh,
So I've made it up to the top, travelled down to this little viewpoint. It's bloody amazing. It's quite scary though. It was a bit of a sketchy ridge walk. I'd never done one of those before, so that was kind of cool. But now I'm over at this point, just sitting on some exposed rock, and the wind's absolutely howling, so it's quite scary. But I'll sit here for another couple of moments and enjoy it, seeing as it took so much effort to get up here, and then I'll head back down.
Been close, so I ordered you a nice latte.
Thank you, my love. I'm knackered.
I see.
Here are the tickets there. Stop.
Coming for you.
Okay.
We've just taken the ferry back south from Cape Tribulation, which marks the end of our trip up here. It was pretty spectacular. It was a beautiful place to be. A bit disappointing that we couldn't swim in the beaches because of the crocodiles, although we didn't see any crocodiles, so it's questionable whether they actually exist or not. Same with casseroes, they don't bloody exist. But anyway, we're finished up here and now we're off to the Atherton Tablelands to spend a few days exploring some beautiful places. And we'll see you next time.